Hello student, myself Swati Bhutani. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to learn new lesson. Let us count number in steps. In this lesson we going to understand how we count the number in steps. Here you can see the example. Here it is a 1 to 50 number and you can see the curve line here in dotted. You can see the rabbit. Rabbit has taken a jump on 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12 and 12 to 15. Let us see how he taking those steps. Okay. He has taken the step of 3 numbers. How many numbers? 3 numbers. Count their numbers forward. Okay, after 3 we start the counting. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here it is a rabbit. Jump on 3 to 6. Okay. How many steps you take forward? Yes. You take forward the 3 steps. Then after 6 he jump forward again 3 steps. Count it. 1, 2, 3. Here it is we get the 9 number. Okay. Then after 9 he jump forward the 3 step. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is a 12 number. Okay. Then after 12 he again jump forward the 3 step. 1, 2, 3. Which number is it? Yes, it is a 15 number. Here you can see the in circle also. Here it is a 3 number. Okay. When rabbit jump forward the 3 step, we get the 6 number. Okay. Then after 6, he jump forward the 3 steps, we get the 9 number. Okay. Then after 9, he again jump forward the 3 steps. Which number we get? 12. Okay. Then after 12, he jump forward the 3 steps, we get the 15 number. Children, all of you understand this? Okay. Now we are going to see the next example here. You can see the 1 to 25 numbers here and deer. You can see the deer jump here. Okay. He began with the 4 number. Okay. How many steps deer taking a jump? Let us count. After 4, we start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is a deer jump on 4 to 9 and he take the steps 5 steps. How many steps? 5 steps. Okay. Then after 9 he again jump forward the 5 steps. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Which number here? 14. Again 14. After 14 he jump forward the 5 steps. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number here? Yes, 19. After 19, he again jump forward the 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is, we get the 24 number. Okay. It means every time rabbit has take the 5 steps. He started from the 4 number. Okay. Then after 4, he jump forward the 5 step, we get the 9 number. Okay. Then after 9, he jump forward the 5 step, we get here which number? 14. Okay. Then after 14, he jump forward the 5 step, we get the 19 number. Then after 19, he jump forward the 5 step, we get the 24 number. Okay, all of you understand this? Yes. Now we are going to see the next example here. Some number are here in color boxes. You can see here it is a 1 to 30 numbers and here it is a some number are in color boxes. Okay. What is the question here? We get these numbers when we count in steps of a certain number. And which is that? You can see their color boxes. If we count in step, we this get the color numbers. Okay. But how much steps here we should be find out here. So we start from the 2 number. After 2 we start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many steps are here? Yes, here it is a 4 steps. Then after 6 we count the again 4 step forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of you understand how much take I step here? Yes, 4 steps. Then after 10 again we count the 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number here? 14. Then after 14 again 4 steps we count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number here? 18. Okay. Then after 18 we count the 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number here? Yes, 22. Then after 22 again we count the forward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we get the 26 number. Okay. Then after 26 we count forward the 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of you understand how much taking the step here? Yes, 4 steps. Okay. Now we're going to revise this. Here I give the some questions. Count and write the numbers. Complete the number steps. Here is the first question. Count in steps of 2. Here it is we taking the 2 step only. Okay. After 2, when we count the step 2, we get the which number? 3, 4. 4 number we get. Here we write the step. Okay. Here it is a 4 number. Then after 4, we count forward the 2 step. We get the which number? Yes, 6. Then after 6, we count forward the 2 steps. We get the which number? Yes, 8 number. Here it is already give the 10 number. So when we revise, we can understand after 8, when we count forward the 2 step, we get the 10 number. Okay. Then after 10, when we count the 2 step forward, which number we get? Yes, 12 number. Okay. Then after 12, we count the 2 steps. Which number we get? Yes, 14. Then after 14, we count forward the 2 steps. Which number we get? Yes, 16. Then after 16, we count forward the 2 step here. Which number we get? 18. Okay. Then after 18, we count the 2 step forward. Which number we get? 20. Yes. Here you can see the another example here. Here it is starting the number of from the 1 number. And we count the 2 step forward here. Okay. Here after 1, when we count the 2 step forward, which number we get? 2, 3. This is the 2 steps. 3 number we can get here. Okay. Then after 3, when we count the 2 step forward, which number we get? 5. Yes. When we count the after 5 2 step, we get the 7 number here. Then after 7, we count the 2 steps, we get the 9 number. Then after 9, when we count the 2 step, we get the 11 number. Then 11 number after we count the 2 step, we get the 13 number. Then after 13, we count the 2 step, we get the 15 number. Then after 15, when we count the 2 step, we get the here 17 number. Then after 17, when we count the 2 steps, we get the here 19 number. Yes. All of you understand how we count the number in steps? Okay. Here it is another example also here. Count in step of 3. Okay. Here it is We already learned this step, 3 step. When we start from the 3, you can see. Okay, after 3, when we count forward the 3 step, we get the 6 number. Then after 6, when we count the forward 3 step, we get the 9 number. After 9, when we count the 3 step, we get the 12 number. Then after 12, when we count the 3 step, we get the 15 number here. Here it is already mentioned. Then after 15, when we count the step forward the 3 step, we get the here 18. Okay. Then after 18, when we count the 3 step forward, we get the 21 number. Then after 21, when we count the forward 3 step, we get the 24 number. Then after 24, when we count the 3 step, we get the 27 number. And after 27, when we count the 3 steps, we get the here 30 number. All of you understand how you count in steps? Now we are going to see the next example also. Here it is we count in step 3 forward. Here it is the number is started from the 2 number. Okay, you can see started from the 2 number. After 2, when we count forward the 3 step, we get the 5 number. Okay, 3, 4, 5. 5 is in 3 step. So here it is we get the 5 number. Then after 5, when we count the 3 step forward, which number we get? 6, 7, 8. 8 number we get here. Okay. Then after 8, we count forward the 3 step, we get the 11 number here. Then after 11, when we count the 3 step forward, which number we get? Yes, 14. Then after 14, when we count the 3 step forward, which number we get? 70. After 17, when we count the step forward, the 3 step, we get here 20 number. After 20, when we go count forward the 3 step, we get here 23. After 23, we count the step forward the 3 step, we get the 26. Okay. Then after 26, when we count the step forward the 3 steps, which number we get? Yes, 29. All of you understand how you count in steps? Okay.